If you forget to schedule your service appointment with Jenkins and Wynne on our mobile app, you will need to ask your second uncle twice removed to change your oil. Whenever your second uncle twice removed is changing your oil, he accidentally uses the windshield wiper fluid instead of the oil. When he mistakes the windshield wiper fluid for oil, your car breaks down on the way to the prom. When your car breaks down on the way to the prom, your date will be saved by the nerd who tutored you all year. Don't let your date go to prom with the geek that tutored you all year. Download our Jenkins and Wynne mobile app today.